The people of Panjim have very great and unique traditions. Like some of their traditions, today they are celebrating the 105th year that they are visiting the Basilica of Bom Jesus. They have just started a procession from the Panjim church, and the procession has finally reached into this boat. So we'll take a journey to the boat and see how this procession goes on. People must be having many memories that are attached to this. So let's talk to the people and ask them what memories do they have. What all memories do you recollect from this?
This, every year we make this Ramari, and it has become like parampara now for us. And every year the mass is in Old Goa at 11 o'clock, and every year we go by this by launch. And we enjoy this Ramari to go to Old Goa.
So what made you come here? Because you had no experience, no information about anything, how it's going to be. So what made you come here?
Well, I wanted to know what this Romari like, because we usually go to Old Goa by bus. So this is the first experience by boat. We wanted to meet the people and participate in the mass in Old Goa.
Anything that made you, come here? Because usually people, when they hear it for the first time, they don't feel like going.
No, we were thrilled. We were thrilled to, we just wanted to come, and we somehow made it.
जेजू आमचो धनी आनी आमचो सोमी आनी जेजू आमच्या खातीर ह्या संवसारांत आयलो आनी जेजू खुसार मरोन ताणें आपलें जिवीत आमकां भेटयलें. ह्या जेजूचेर आतां आमी सोक मानून सगल्यांनी आमी सोक मानता म्हणुया. सोक मानता त्या बापा स्वर्गाच्या आनी पृथ्वीच्या आसनारा आनी जेजू क्रिस्ता ताच्या आमच्या सोम्या आमच्या बापा स्वर्गीच्या तुझें नांव पवित्र जावं, तुझें राज आमकां येवं, तुजी खोशी स्वर्गार जाता तशें संवसारांत जावं.
आनी आमचो दिसपट्टो आयज आमकां दी, आनी आमी आमचे सुदारणाक बक्षिता तशें आमची पातकां मुगोस, आनी आमकां कांय पडूं नाका पूण वायटांतली आमकां निवार.
नमान मरे तुपेन तूं बोललेले सर्वेस्पोर तुज्या थंय आसा. वस्त्र्यामध्ये तू सदैव आणि सदैव तुझा पूज जेजू. नमान मरे कृपेन तू बोललेले सर्वेस्पोर तुझ्या थंय आसा. वस्त्र्यामध्ये तू सदैव आणि सदैव तुझा पूज जेजू.
The cruise has just left from Panjim, and now we are on our way to Old Goa. As tradition, in the olden days, there was no means of transportation other than the ferry. So the people used to use canoes and yachts to move from one place to another. And now we are on our way to go to Old Goa. Right now we have reached Britona. We can see the Britona church from here. It's a spectacular view. I think this is the only church that is facing the river. The Panjim people have kept their tradition alive by making use of this river transport. let's speak to the very ancient Panjamites and ask them why they have been organizing this.
See, this is why we are organizing. This is starting from 1854. There was a plague sickness had come in Old Goa. So the all people have been shifted to Panjim. And then people were going to pray to St. Francis Xavier. They used to go by canoe. They were collecting 1 anna, 2 annas, that time, Portuguese time. And later, every year, they started increasing people to go. This canoe, one canoe became 2, 3, 4. Then people were not 7 to go in a canoe. So then afterwards, they arranged vapor, called where in navigation department, where they used to fly Vere, Briton, Aldona, that vapor they used to make it. Then every time, then navigation department was broke down. And now we are starting our Royal Cruise because people are coming a lot. And people are giving us contribution to organize this ones. So this tradition we continue over the years. Yeah.
वर्साचे वर्स डेव्हलप जातीक पार्ट घेता ताका सगळ्याक देवाकार घालून ही पेंजीम वेलफेअर सोसायटी पेंजीमॅट वेलफेअर सोसायटी ही रोमरी करता ती गोंयान परतून मीस करता आनी परत येता मागीर फुडल्या आयतार दीस संस्कृताची पर्व आमी करता आमचे इगर्जे ह्या पासून
आतां दीस तीळ जातलो तेच उपरांत लॉन्च सुट्टली देन बाय 11 o'clock वील टच दीस दिवार दीस जेटी फ्रॉम दॅट जेटी वील गो लायक इन procession to the church along with those 3-4 representatives of the church as हे आमचे कॉन्फ्रा जाता पळय ते तेजे बरोबर रोमारी करून आमी इगोर्जेन देन इकरांक मीस आहा हें आमचें कितें वर्साचें रोमारी ती पणजे घरांची नॉट ओन्ली दीस फॉर ऑल पेंजीम ते कितें आमी कितें हें कंट्रिब्युशन काडटा लोकांची लोक आमकां कंट्रिब्युशन दिता ते एक 15 days बिफोर आमी वी विजीट हावस टू हावस
आता मी बोटीच्या कॅप्टना बरोबर आहा तर आता आमी जर्नी स्टार्ट केले तेका विचारी आमी कितलो वगत लागतलो तो
1 वर लागतलें सारकें हय फास्ट म्हटलें ऑपोजीट करंट आहा जाल्यार मातसो टायम लागता नाजाल्यार आमकां करंटाचेर वयता जाल्यार 1 वर पुरो वर्साचें वर्सां हांव धरतां 14 वर्सां जालीं म्हाजें नांव रामा तारी स्पेशल 1 वर्सांचो एक बरी उमेद कशी येता तुमकां लोकांक पणजेकारांक व्हरपाक
After 45 minutes of a long journey, we have finally reached our destination. And from here, you can see all the beautiful churches of Old Goa.
By the life you left behind, your face it haunts my once pleasant dreams. Your voice it chased away all the sanity in me. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you'd scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have all of me.
चेडवा म्हणल्यार कांयच न्ही कॉफी जाला अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन लॉ 7 वस्तू क्रिमिनल नॉर्म छापलेले आसा चेडवाचेर बलात्कार करप रेप करप ओसावणेक वुमन आनी चायल्ड ट्रॅफिकिंग सादी सिस्टर गोमेलो चेडवा कुलपाव वा भायले कुलपाव हे सगळे बॅन केलेले आसा डावरी सिस्टम बॅन केलेले आसा आपल्या सन्मान दिलो आमकां ताणें सोद जिवीत नवे आपल्या गोश्टमना वरवीं सोडयली आमकां मात घातली आपल्या पुनर्जीवनपणान जितली आमा समेस्तांक जिवीत ससनाची आपल्या मोमे वचून पयसा वरवीं उकडली आमकां दारां सोगीची देखून आतां सगळ्या देवता आनी भक्तां संगाती निरंतरी आमी तुजी स्तुती गायता तेच परीन जेवण जातच ताणें कावस घेतली तुका नव्यान तीन वाचलो ती आपल्या सुसाक दिली आनी म्हटले तुमी समेस घेयात आनी आमचे पियात ही म्हज्या रोगताची कास नव्यानी सासणेक कराराचे हे रगत पातकाचे बोक्सड वेलच्या तुमचे पासत आनी समेस मनशा पासत ते वाराव गेले हे म्हज्या उगडासा करात
Sylvester आख्या पृथ्वीचे विस्ताराचे पवित्र सभेचे व्यासपीठ बेनेडिक्ट आमच्या पावसाला मेरी आमच्या विसरून सभा आणि सगळे यादी वर्गा बरोबर तुका आपल्याचे मुलांना पुनर्जीवनपणाचा बरवासो धरून मेला ते आमच्या भावनाची तांकां आमच्या सगळ्यातील मेलना समजता तुझे गोजरी प्रमाणपण आम्हा समस्ताची दया करून आम्ही मागतो अंकवारी पाणी देवाचे माई समिती भगवंत दोर्मिता भगवंत फ्रांसीस xavier भक्तिभवन सभास आणि सहकार्यांच्या मानवल्या त्या सगळ्या भक्तांबरोबर शासनाच्या सुखात आपण वाटत तांचे संगतात तुझे मेंबर जेजू क्रिस्ता तुझा पुत्र
त्यात जेजू वरवीं त्यात जेजू सांगातात त्यात जेजू काय वैद वाक्याचे कोणात सर परिधान बापा सर्वंतोन आनी वैद बदका शासनाच्या शासनाक
आमच्या
आमनेरा सोलोइता ससनाच्या ससना सोम्याची शांती सदाका तुमचे सोम्या आसो एकामेका मोगान शांती It's in the outer shelley, so Sanacha Papa Kataki. Shelley Chachana Kapilan Kavisovi Sumaki.
Signature award given area number D6, page 49. D6, page 49.
We have just attended the Eucharistic celebration, and let's talk to the organizers and ask him his views and opinions about the celebration.
This celebration we are having for last 158 years, and today is the 158 years. This we are doing in regard of during Portuguese time there was a plague in the city, so people decided to come here and give the offering to the Saint Xavier. Now our ancestors they have started this, so we are continuing. And now this to organize everything, we take the help from the well-wishers and we come. And now because of this Saint Xavier, we are safe in Goa. And no doubt, we will not have any problem, and this will continue forever till their generation goes on continuing.
So is there a difference between the past and now, any changes?
Yeah, in past days to walk from Panjim to Old Goa, then they started coming with small boats. Then they started with called Bapur. The Portuguese time they call it Bapur, means another like how we have. Now the people are more, so people are coming on vehicles, and plus we are providing the launch. The launch which is there, that people can use.
The Panjim Welfare Society is doing a very good job. Every year they are celebrating this feast, and I think they are keeping on improving, and the people also are very crowded this time. I hope, but it's rain, just and the procession, I think it just stopped now. But I think it will cool down, and now we are going by ferry to Panjim. It's a traditional ferry which every year we travel by ferry. Thank you.